Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're tired of cooking and dealing with all that mess in your kitchen, then you might want to stick around. I've got a review on something that could change your life. The Aroma ARC-5000SB But here's what surprised me when I first heard about it. It's not just a fancy air fryer like some other products out there, but an actual all-in-one kitchen appliance with a lot of features that caught my attention therefore. I want to dive in and see if it really lives up to the hype. For the best price, click the link in the description /N. We've all been there, struggling to cook healthy meals because we don't have the right tools or equipment. But what if I told you there's a product that can change all of that, especially when it comes to cooking fries and making them crispy without any added oil? Sounds too good to be true. /N. Well, let me tell you, as someone who's been in this space for a while now, I've come across my fair share of kitchen gadgets, but this one has left me speechless therefore. Stick with me for the next 10 minutes as we dive into the world of the Aroma ARC-5000SB and see if it really delivers on its promises /N. But before we get started, let's take a look at what makes this product so special. It's an air fryer, slow cooker, pressure cooker, rice cooker, yogurt maker, steamer, sauté pan, and even a wok all in one therefore. As you can imagine, I was both excited and skeptical at the same time /N. You see, we all know that air fryers have been popping up left and right these days, but this one is different. It's not just about cooking fries, it's an actual lifestyle changer for people who want to cook healthy meals without sacrificing taste therefore. Let's get started with the first feature of this product /N. The Aroma ARC-5000SB has a 6-liter capacity, which means you can cook large quantities of food at once, perfect for families or big gatherings therefore. As you can imagine, this thing is huge and takes up a lot of space in your kitchen /N. But don't worry! The benefits far outweigh the negatives, especially when it comes to cleaning. With its sleek design and digital interface, it's a breeze to clean and maintain therefore. Let's talk about what really matters here. The cooking performance /N. The Aroma ARC-5000SB has 8 different settings for cooking, which include air frying, slow cooking, pressure cooking, rice cooking, yogurt making, steaming, sautéing, and even a wok setting therefore. As you can imagine, this thing is an absolute beast when it comes to versatility /N. But what really caught my attention was the fact that it has 6 customizable presets for different types of food. So whether you're cooking chicken, beef, or even veggies, it's got you covered therefore. Let's dive deeper into some of these features and see how they work in real-life situations /N. One thing I noticed right off the bat was how easy it is to use this product. With its digital interface and sleek design, it's like a breeze to navigate through all the different settings and options therefore. Let me walk you through some of my experiences using this product so far /N. First things first, I tried making some chicken breasts in the air fryer setting, and boy was I impressed. They came out so crispy on the outside and juicy on the inside. It was like a dream come true therefore. Here's what happened. I seasoned the chicken with some salt, pepper, and olive oil, then placed them in the air fryer basket /N. I set the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and cooked for about 12 minutes. And just like that, my chicken breasts were done to perfection therefore. Let me tell you, this thing is a game changer when it comes to cooking healthy meals without sacrificing taste /N. But I didn't stop there. I also tried making some rice in the cooker setting, and I was blown away by how easy it was to use. Just add water and rice to the pot, then press start, and voila! Perfectly cooked rice every time therefore. Here's what I love about this product /N. It's not just a kitchen appliance, it's a lifestyle changer. It allows you to cook healthy meals without sacrificing taste or taking up too much space in your kitchen therefore. As someone who values their health and wellness above all else, I can confidently say that the Aroma ARC-5000SB is an absolute must-have for anyone looking to take their cooking game to the next level /N. But don't just take my word for it. With over 10,000 reviews on Amazon and a 4.5-star rating, this product has clearly won the hearts of many people out there. Therefore, as someone who's always on the lookout for new kitchen gadgets, I can confidently say that this one is worth checking out /N. Now, before we get to the conclusion, let me share with you some pros and cons of this product. So if you're considering buying it, make sure you weigh these factors in your decision. Therefore, here's what I love about this product. /N. The digital interface is super easy to use and navigate through all the different settings and options. /N. It has 8 different settings for cooking, including air frying, slow cooking, pressure cooking, rice cooking, yogurt making, steaming, sautéing, and even a wok setting. /N. The 6-liter capacity means you can cook large quantities of food at once, perfect for families or big gatherings. Therefore, as someone who loves to entertain guests, I can confidently say that this thing is a lifesaver when it comes to cooking for a crowd. /N. It has 6 customizable presets for different types of food. So whether you're cooking chicken, beef, or even veggies, it's got you covered. /N. The cleaning process is a breeze with its sleek design and digital interface. Therefore, let me share some things I didn't like about this product. /N. It takes up a lot of space in your kitchen. /N. Some users have reported issues with the pressure cooking setting. /N. It can be a bit pricey for some people's budgets. Therefore, as you can see, there are both pros and cons to consider when it comes to this product. /N. But if you're willing to take the plunge and invest in something that will change your life, then I say go for it. Trust me, you won't regret it. Therefore, let's wrap up our review with a final verdict. /N. The Aroma ARC-5000SB is an absolute must-have for anyone looking to upgrade their kitchen game. It's a versatile, easy-to-use, and powerful appliance that will change the way you cook forever. Therefore, as someone who values their health and wellness above all else, I can confidently say that this thing is worth every penny. /N. So there you have it, folks. My review of the Aroma ARC-5000SB air fryer and more. Therefore, if you're interested in getting your hands on one of these bad boys, make sure to click the link in the description for the best price available right now. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you all in the next video.